Hiya, so my name is Mike, and I found Esther Speaks when I was trying to pivot into tech. So previously I worked in finance, education, marketing, and for years and years, but I had no idea really how to position that onto a tech CV. So what I did was I tried a few templates and some online tips, and honestly, I guess it just didn't really fit. They all kind of felt a bit generic. I wasn't even sure if a CV service would help, but her blog kind of made sense, and I signed up for the newsletter, and yeah, it actually kind of felt like someone understood, I guess you could say, what a career change really takes, and that was kind of what I was looking for. So I booked the CV and LinkedIn service, and straight away it kind of gave me clarity and confidence that I was looking for. I didn't realize I needed it, but when I found it, I realized the importance of it. To my surprise, within weeks, recruiters had already started reaching out. So yeah, I guess really, if you're looking to switch lanes into tech, I'd absolutely recommend it. It's honestly made a real difference for me. Once again, a very, very big thank you to Esther Speaks.